Hi, it's Joan. How did you go with this month's challenge hand? It was a hand that I played in the Summer Festival of Bridge in Canberra in January, and I thought it was so interesting that I wanted to see how you played it and also how you bid it. So we've got 13 points and our partner's opened one heart. The fact that we've got two good 5-card suits makes our hand really worth more than 13 points. So we would start though by just bidding one spade. This shows 4 or more spades and 6 or more points. Partner now has jump shifted to 3 clubs. This will show a hand in the maximum range, 19, about 19-ish points, and at least 5 hearts and at least 4 clubs, and it's forcing to game. So we don't have to go quickly here. The fact that we bid 3 diamonds to show our second suit will be enough because we're definitely in a game force. Partner said 3 spades. That means they must have 3 card spade support for us, 5 hearts, 4 or more clubs, so they're marked with a shortage in diamonds. We've got 2 aces and we know quite a bit about partner's hand, so we actually just need now to Blackwood to check for the other controls because we'll probably bid slam on this hand. So for no trumps Blackwood, we'll be asking, partner says 5 hearts, meaning they've got 2 aces. That means we know we've got all the aces, so we could actually ask for kings as well now with 5 no trumps. By the way, if you want to check as you're bidding and you're not sure, click the question mark anytime and it'll give you a suggestion of what to bid. So over 5 no trumps, our partner shows 2 kings. That means that we've got 3 of the 4 kings. And most people would probably bid 6. But in January this year, we happened to get to 7. So the goal was, and the challenge was, to actually make 13 tricks, not just 12. So we were in 7 spades. The lead is the king of clubs. Now let's count our winners and losers. We actually can't have any losers, so we need to find our way to 13 tricks. We're not sure how spades break, but we hope they break 3 too. And then we'll make all the spade tricks. Be careful of the heart suit. Don't think we've got 5 tricks in hearts. We've got 4 top hearts, so we can count 4 tricks there. We won't lose any clubs because we've got a singleton opposite the ace, so we can trump. And we've got 2 top diamonds. So let's say we've got 5 spades, 4 hearts are 9, 1 club is 10, and 2 diamonds are 12. Where are we going to make the 13th trick? Let's win the ace of clubs and test trumps. Play the queen of trumps, put the 5 on it, and now play the 2 to the king or the ace. And we find, luckily, that trumps broke 3 too. Someone's got 1 trump left, but the way to make the 13th trick is by using the technique of trumping in the shorter hand, in this case the north hand. So how do we get to do that? We're in the south hand, so play the 5 of diamonds over to the king, and now the 2 of hearts over to the jack to bring us back to south, and play the 8 of diamonds and trumpet. Now we know that there's still 1 trump out, so don't play hearts, play the 2 of clubs and trumpet and draw the last trump. Play the king of spades, pitching a club. Now try the ace of diamonds, throw away a club, and now play the 5 of hearts to the ace and the king. Hearts broke badly, so we couldn't have counted 5 tricks in hearts. Now the king of hearts, discard the 9 of diamonds. Now the queen of hearts, discarding the jack of diamonds, and Phew, 13 tricks. By the way, the topic for this month on the online School of Bridge will be strong hands and bidding to slam. And I'll be covering the Blackwood convention, cue bidding, and how to bid when you've got two balanced hands, as well as how to get to slam when you've got long suits and fits. I've also divided the lessons on the online School of Bridge into 3 categories: beginner, improver, and advanced. So you'll know when you see the lesson which level will suit you best. I hope you enjoyed the challenge hand. If you've got any comments about how you did or played it, please let me know. And I look forward to seeing you next month for the next one.